Okay, so this bad boy just came out of the garden, and I hope she's ripe. I believe she is. She's nice and heavy, very dense. Got that wonderful spot on her back or front, wherever she is. So I'm going to cut her open while you're watching. So let's see if she actually made the cut. Fingers are crossed. I never know until I open it, and hopefully it's red on the inside. Ah, it is. Yes. Now, this, my friends, is a real test to know if the watermelon is ripe. And what I do is and my husband actually hates when I do this, but I take a nice big center chunk from the melon to see if it's sweet. Oh my God, y'all. This is amazing. And I grew it. Oh my God. Years of trying to figure out how to grow watermelons because I could never ever get them to grow. They would never get ripe in time. We would have snow on the ground and I would have half ripe watermelons. But wow. Oh my God. If you guys could taste how juicy and sweet this melon is. Woo! From the farm, well, the garden, to the table. Peace out.